Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
See, the issue was as regards cutting off trees at Porvorim on the highway. There was a suggestion given by the applicant that 14 trees should be translocated. We have studied it and we have submitted a report to the court to inform the court that out of these 14 trees, 9 were never supposed to be cut. 2 trees are already cut. There is 1 tree which we have agreed to shift. One more tree is not possible to be translocated, and there are 2 trees which are already cut. So therefore, presently the situation is out of 14, 9 are not going to be cut. 1 is going to be translocated, and other 2 are already cut, and the 1 is it's not possible to be translocated. That's a report that is submitted to the court, and court has accepted that report. So therefore, as far as that issue is concerned, there is a complete answer and that issue is sorted out. The other issue is as regards now the trees which are being cut. There will be trees which will be replanted 3 times in number. So we have identified the location where it is going to be replanted. The court has told us to give a plan as far as that replantation is concerned. We have been granted time of 4 weeks to file that report as to what will be the timeline, where exactly this will be located, what will be the species which will be transplanted. Which will be replanted. So that report we are supposed to give to the court in a period of 4 weeks time.